In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account without phone number. If you find this video useful, then please consider subscribing and also please consider liking the video. And please guys, ensure that you watch this video to the very end and do exactly what I'm going to do to avoid any mistake that might lead to any error. So please watch the video to the very end. Thank you guys. Now let's get started. Now first thing you need to do is to open your phone settings. Then scroll down. Then tap on Google. Then on your email, just tap on it. Then scroll down. Then add another account. Then tap on Google. Then enter your phone password. Then click on create account. Then for my personal use. Then enter your first name and surname. Now I'm going to do that. Then next. Then enter your birthday and gender. Then next. Then you can create your own Gmail address. So I'm just going to do that. Then click on next. Then you can create your own password. Ensure that the password that you are creating is strong, mixed with characters, symbols and letters, and also numbers. So I'm just going to do that. Then tap on next. Then ensure that this is how you'll want your Gmail account to appear. So once you've confirmed, just tap on next. Then scroll down. Then tap on I agree. So the Gmail account has been created. For us to log in into that Gmail account, you need to tap on your Gmail. Then if you scroll down, you will see the new Gmail account that we've created. I'm just going to tap on it. So this is the Gmail account. Now in order for us to access the Gmail account, we need to go to Gmail app. Just close this one. Then just open your Gmail app. Then click on your profile icon on the top right corner. Then scroll down. Then tap your Gmail account that you just created. So this is the new Gmail account, as you can see. So that's it guys, that's how to create a Gmail account without phone number. If you found value from this video, please do not forget to subscribe and also to like the video. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.